ఒక్కరున్న క్లాస్ ఉంటుందమ్మా, క్లాస్ ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తాను, ఎవ్రీడే టాస్క్ ఇది అని చెప్పాను. ఇంట్లో చదువుకోవడానికి ఫీజులు కట్టి ఇంట్లో చదువుకోవడం ఎందుకు? You got 87%. You got reduced 2%. Before it was 89%. You should do more hard work in mathematics and science. Do everyday maths. And maths కొంచెం తనుష్కి మ్యాథ్స్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. For some time, let him do Abhinav maths center. Go and sit with sir. ఇక్కడ పొద్దున ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తులు లేచి ఏం వేరే వర్క్స్ లేక అమ్మ మాకు వేరే వర్క్స్ లేవా, ఈ టైం ఇక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము అని అంటే మీకోసమే కదా. నిన్న సింధుజా నువ్వు ఒక్కసారి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేసేకి పైకి రావడానికి ఏమమ్మా? కాదమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటి లోపలికి రమ్మని అవి చెప్పట్లేదు నేను. అట్లీస్ట్ మేడం అని పిలవడానికి మేము 4 o'clockకే లేస్తాము, మీకు తెలుసా విషయము? ఏమా తెలీదా మీకు? ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ లేస్తాం అవి. నేను వచ్చి చూసినప్పుడు ఎవ్వరు లేరు కింద, నేను ఒక్కదాన్ని ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఎందుకు, పైన వర్క్స్ అన్న జరుగుతాయి నాకు అని చెప్పేసి. మార్నింగ్ ఎన్ని వర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి? మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఖాళీ కూర్చుంటారా, వర్క్స్ చేసుకుంటారా? చెప్పండమ్మా. మీరు లేస్తానే, పొద్దున్న లేస్తానే ఖాళీగా ఉంటారా? మీ పేరెంట్స్ వర్క్స్ చేసుకుంటారా? ఇంటి పనులు చేసుకుంటారా? అవునా? పిల్లలు ఎవరు లేరు కదా అని చెప్పేసి పైకి వెళ్ళి పని చేసుకుంటున్నాను. మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ టైం సార్ని పంపించినాను, చూడుకోమ్మా ఎవరైనా వచ్చారేమో పిల్లలు అని. అప్పుడు ఎవరు లేరు. ఒక్కసారి మేడం అని కనీసం అక్కడ స్టెప్స్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి పిలిచిందే కూడా అయిపోయింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇల్లు ఎక్కడో దూరం ఉండి నింటే వేరే ఇదమ్మా, మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటి లోపలికి ఎంటర్ కమ్మని చెప్పట్లేదు. డ్యూ టు సమ్ కండిషన్స్, కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్ జరగడం వల్ల ఇలాగ, లేదంటే ఇంతకుముందు ఇంట్లోనే కదా చెప్పుకోండేది. కొన్ని బ్యాడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ జరగడం వల్ల ఎలాంటి కొన్ని చెప్పాల్సి వస్తుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు పైకి వచ్చి మేడం అనే ఒక మాట పిలిచినట్టే కనీసం వెళ్ళేటప్పుడన్నా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలా? మీరు కూడా అమ్మా 6:15కి ఏంది, నేను ఏం క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటా? బృందాకి 7:30 క్లాస్.
యాక్చువల్లీ మమ్మీ 5కి అలారం పెట్టింది, అది ఆఫ్ చేసేసింది. ఇంకా నేను లెసన్ 5:30 అయింది, తొందరగా వచ్చినాం.
6:15 కరెక్ట్గా. అభినవ్ నా చేతిలో మొబైల్ ఉంది, నేను ఏమమ్మా అభినవ్ 15 minutesలో నేను కిందికి వచ్చి క్లాస్ ఓపెన్ చేసేపాటికి 10 minutes మిగులుతుంది. 10 minutesలో మీకు ఎంత సిలబస్ చెప్పగలుగుతాను చెప్పండి? వీళ్ళంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక వారం రోజులు వస్తారమ్మా. మీరు ఎప్పుడు త్రూ అవుట్ ఇయర్ ఉండేవాళ్ళు. క్లాస్ టైమింగ్స్ అంటే క్లాస్ టైమింగ్స్. ఆ టైం మీకు ఇస్తున్నాను అని అంటేనే నేను వేరే పనులన్నీ ఆపుకొని మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి కూర్చుంటున్నట్టు. నాకు పనులు లేక కూర్చోవట్లేదు. ఐ హ్యావ్ మెనీ వర్క్స్ టు డూ ఇన్ ఎ డే. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ వర్క్ ఫర్ మీ టు డూ ఎవ్రీ డే, దెర్ ఆర్ మెనీ వర్క్స్. మరి అలాంటప్పుడు మీరు ఎంత పంక్చువల్గా ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? డే అంతా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు, కనీసం ఒక 2 hours చదవండి అమ్మా అంటే కూడా చదువుకుంటే ఇంకా నేను ఎలా చెప్తే అర్థమవుతుంది మీకు? యూ కెనాట్ ఫాలో యువర్ ఓన్ టైమింగ్స్ దిస్ ఇయర్. If I keep any message through WhatsApp, you have to follow it, because I am going to work in college this year. I cannot give more time to you all. If you want to study along with me, you need my help or sir help, you follow the timings. Otherwise, you can choose any other tuitions. Who will let you to go any time and will bear you go that tuition only? No bother at all for me. There is no bother at all. First language. You got in second language C grade. All the time you are getting C grade only by Dikshita. Huh?
Behavior different.
Huh?
Behavior.
Behavior. You are not behaving properly at the school. Huh? Dikshita, I am asking you only. బిహేవియర్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని చెప్పాడా? ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు నీ బిహేవియర్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా మరి ఈసారి.
నా బిహేవియర్ ఏం బాగాలేదు, మంచిగా క్లాస్ టీచర్ చెప్తారు కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ అట్లా చెప్తారు.
బిహేవియర్ అని జస్ట్ వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్ పెట్టి ఇక్కడ రాస్తారు బిహేవియర్కి ఇన్ని మార్క్స్ అని. సబ్జెక్టివ్ దానిలలో నీకు మార్క్స్ ఎందుకు తగ్గిస్తాడు?
సరే చెప్పింది అందరికీ, క్లాస్ అందరికీ 10, 12.
ఎగ్జామ్ ఒకటే పేరు పడాలా? మెయిన్ ఎగ్జామ్ 10th లో ఒకటే పేరు పడాలి తెలుసా విషయం?
4 కసలు
మరి 2 పెన్స్ ఎందుకు పడుతుంది? 2 కలర్స్ రాదా? ఎవరు నేర్పించారు? ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నాను.
లేదు సార్, క్వశ్చన్కి బ్లాక్, ఆన్సర్కి బ్లూ అట్లా.
నోట్బుక్లో రాసుకోండి. ఫైనల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాస్తా.
You overall you increased from 68% to 73%. That is okay. But every time in second language and English you are getting C grade. You got improvement in EVS. Before it was B grade, now you got A2 grade. And also you improved in mathematics. Before it was B grade, it is now A grade. You got improvement in 2 subjects, but you should improve in the finals. More concentration in the languages, second language and English. This is second language means what? Hindi.
India.
She is getting C grade amma all the time.
పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అయిందా?
Before it was D grade.
పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అయిందని అడుగుతున్నాను.
పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎంత పెరిగింది? 68.5% పెరిగిందమ్మా. చదవాలమ్మా. యూ షుడ్ డూ మోర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఇన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆల్సో. 10th లో కూడా నీకు లాంగ్వేజ్ మార్క్స్ చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మార్క్స్ నీకు చాలా కట్ అయిపోతాయి. కమ్ దిస్ సైడ్ విష్ణు.
ఓకే వాళ్ళు వస్తారా విజయ్? జ్ఞానేష్ తనీష్ వస్తారా?
Yes. Big applause to Vishnu Amma, everyone. He got A2 grade. He got 88%. Good improvement, Vishnu. You should cross 90% in the final exams. Okay. When are your final exams going to start? 9th. Okay. Keep working hard. రెఫరెన్స్ లింక్ అంటే ఒక్కసారి ఫస్ట్ షేర్ చేయి, దీంట్లో చూసి వీళ్ళ ఫాదర్కి.
అంటే డాడీ ఆర్డర్ చేస్తాను సార్, కానీ మీరు సజెస్ట్ చేసినా చేద్దామని.
కమ్ దిస్ సైడ్ అమ్మా. సరే
డూ
Do
మ్యాచ్
match.
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్.
అనే కామన్ సైడ్ సార్ ఇది చాలా
Next I will give science work Abhinav, completing 15 minutes maths. Yes, Amma. Yesterday we discussed about magnesium oxide chemical reaction. Okay. I charge 15,000 Amma, you know, sorry, for 1 hour. When in 2022 for NEET, only for 1 hour. I used to take class for Afra. She used to stay in MANIDWEEPAM. While I was going to the, it is less amount only because others are taking more. Here there are only few students. If you utilize me, you will be the winner. You will be the benefit. If you don't use it, then you will be the loser, definitely. For me, I can do other works also. I can work, I can take online classes also. It is not a big task for me. You are not understanding that. First know the value of time. Then your life automatically will change. From 1 year onwards I have been saying, but there is no improvement in your behavior. That is waste of time, I am thinking. You should feel lucky that we are only few members. Madam is taking more concentration. We should utilize that. Even if you take home tuitions also, I cannot give assurance that good teacher will come to you or not. When teacher is good at subject, utilize teacher first. That dedication should be there in the student. If you say every day one reason, then I will just go through my way, that's it. I am not like last year. I will be not at all, because I believed so much in the students. I believed so much. But the students are not giving that. That is why I will be not like before last year. Definitely that. Okay, if you don't come, I will feel that, Maurya, 1 hour I saved in my day. That's it. That 1 hour will utilize in other way. That's it. I don't waste my time. God has given me this day. I want to utilize that hours. Definitely, that hour will be taken in another way. There I will be succeed. Definitely. Every day class will be there. 5:30 to 6:30. Class is there. That's it. Fix it in your mind. I will give work assignment and I will inform to your parents that I have given this work in the evening assignment. Let them do at home. Tomorrow I will be asked. Yesterday I told about magnesium oxide. Say about that magnesium oxide now. What will happen when magnesium burn?
When magnesium burns, it it will be mixed in the atmosphere air, and in the oxygen it will be mixed. Magnesium and oxygen are mixed with atmosphere. It becomes magnesium oxide. The formula is MgO.
Can you write that equation?
Yes, ma'am.
In 24 hours, morning hours are very valuable hours. Very valuable. Who will utilize that hours? Those will become success in life. Without any doubt. Write the element symbols. Don't write like this names.
Then both mix slowly. It will become.
This is balancing chemical reaction. Even parents are supporting children. Parents are supporting. My daughter is reading at home. Then why to pay here money to read at home? Save your money. ఇక్కడికి రాకపోయినా మా పాప ఇంట్లో చదువుకుంటుంది. మనకెందుకు చెప్పాలి అది? అక్కడ ఇప్పుడు రాలేదు అంటే మనకి ఏమంటారు, టైం అన్నా సేవ్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ లేరు, సరే ఉండేది ఇంతమంది, వీళ్ళ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అని. ఈ టెన్షన్ ఎందుకు మాకు రోజంతా? పేరెంట్స్ ఇట్లా అబద్ధాలతో పిల్లల్ని సేవ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎక్కడ, ఇంకా పిల్లలకి ఏం అలవాటు కాదు చెప్పండి. తిట్టొద్దు అనమాట, నలుగురిలో అనొద్దు పిల్లని. కొట్టేదంటే ఆ జనరేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మా జనరేషన్కే ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది. మా హెడ్ మాస్టర్ కొడితే అక్కడే క్లాస్లోనే ఉచ్చపోసుకునేటోళ్ళం అమ్మ. ఏమన్నా పర్సనల్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, ఏమన్నా ఒక మాట అనడానికి, ఏమన్నా పగ, ఏమన్నా రిలేటివ్స్ ఏమన్నా. ఒక గురువు ఒక మాట ఏదైనా అన్నారంటే విద్యార్థి యొక్క బాగు కోసమే అంటాడు తప్ప ఏదేదో వాళ్ళని అందరిలో బ్లేమ్ చేయాలి, అందరిలో ఇది చేయాలని ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు. ఆ గురువు స్థానంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు. ఆ చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోక పిల్లల్ని సేవ్ చేసుకునే దాంట్లో పేరెంట్స్ సేవ్ చేస్తున్నారు పిల్లల్ని. So on the ribbon of the magnesium, on the surface, which compound will be present? This is magnesium. Okay, in the magnesium ribbon what atoms will be present?
On these ribbon it will be magnesium oxide.
No,
and inside it will be magnesium. Here it will be magnesium oxide because when it because magnesium will be mixed with the oxygen and it becomes magnesium oxide.
It will react with the oxygen which is present in the air. Which is present in the air. So here magnesium atoms will be present in the atmosphere, oxygen will be present. These both will react and will form the magnesium oxide. So it is more stable. Remember that point. Magnesium is not stable. Magnesium is active metal. Magnesium is active metal. Active in the sense, if any other compounds coming near to the magnesium, automatically it will vigorously it will react. It is more reactive. It is more reactive. It will convert into other compounds. It will not remain as magnesium. It will not remain as magnesium. It will convert into other compounds. So that is magnesium oxide. Okay, which is more stable compound. Which is more stable compound. Okay, this is important. You remember. Next. So here they have mentioned, you must have observed that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame. Okay, in the bits, MCQs they will ask you. But you will not be having this much easy. Sometimes if the paper is easy, they will give this type of bits also. The some X element, when it burns, it will give the white dazzling flame. White dazzling flame. That means you should identify that X element. What is that X element?
Magnesium.
Magnesium. That's it. Okay. You will get the white powder. That white powder is the magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So, and change this into white powder. This powder is magnesium oxide. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and the oxygen present in the air. You are clear with this experiment now? Next, from the above three activity here, this is also important. Okay, very important, very important. They have given through the 2 points only, but it is very important. Where is mobile? Amma, any doubts are there? Dikshita, Shravita, if you have any doubts, come to me. I will explain. Alam Malavik, thank you so much for your like. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Here, if you see, Saryu, you are taking a lead nitrate solution. I will show you the lead nitrate color. Okay, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate solution. This is lead nitrate. Yes. You are taking that in the test tube. You are taking that in the test tube. Okay. You are adding some potassium iodide. What you are adding to that? Potassium iodide. Lead means Pb. Plumbus. Okay. Lead. Nitrate means always wherever you get nitrate means NO3. What you will have? NO3. Lead nitrate, which is reacting with the potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. So, this both will react and will form lead iodide plus potassium nitrate, which is colorless solution. Colorless solution. Before it was yellow in color. Now it changed into colorless. Reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide.
That means it will be in the white color, no?
Yes.
Transparent like water.
Yes. It will have the lead nitrate. Remember, this is very important reaction. Okay. Very important reaction. Lead nitrate is having the yellow precipitate. Yellow. PPT means precipitate. Okay. And it is insoluble in water. Soluble means when you add salt in water, it will soluble. Insoluble means it will not. It will like curd.
Okay.
It is precipitate. Okay. So yellow precipitate, that is which is insoluble. Immediately when you add potassium iodide to that, that will become soluble. It will just become like water. This is lead nitrate. Okay.
That means
This is
when it is different colors also, when we add this one, that will become colorless.
not different. just when it is reacting with the potassium iodide, this lead is replacing with the potassium, which is soluble in water, potassium nitrate, which is soluble in water, potassium nitrate. Lead is displacing the potassium. That is why we are getting potassium nitrate. PbNO3 is becoming KNO3. That means lead is हटो, potassium हटो बोल रहे, तो it is moving. In that place who is coming? Potassium is coming, which is soluble. Which is soluble. Soluble means when you add salt in the water, after few seconds that will be visible or not visible?
That will not be
Visible. That means you cannot say there is no compound in that. No, it is having, but it is soluble. Like that only, potassium nitrate will be present in that solution. Okay, which is soluble. Which is soluble. But lead nitrate is not soluble. It will be like precipitate. It will be like precipitate. Okay. So lead iodide. Dissolve. This one will be dissolved. This is double displacement. Why I am saying double? Double means here. Okay. This is lead is displacing. Here in the potassium place, lead is coming. Okay. In the potassium place, lead is coming. In the lead place, potassium is coming. Double. Double displace. Displace. This is right place. This is displacing. Okay. That is why this reaction is double displacement reaction. Okay, ma? Double displacement reaction. Which is most important. Okay. Here they have not given information. What do you observe? Observe means PPT. PPT means precipitate. What is that precipitate? Lead iodide. That precipitate is lead iodide. Lead iodide. If you see the reaction, I can write here is the reaction. PbNO3 plus potassium iodide gives PBI plus K. This is precipitate.
Mom, what is mean by precipitate?
It is like a curd. I am saying no. Precipitate.
It will be same like that only.
Color is yellow color. Yellow color.
Okay.
Which is yellow color. This color is yellow color. Lead iodide. I will show you the lead iodide. Lead iodide. This one. Lead iodide color is yellow color. That is why when you add potassium iodide, it will form yellow color precipitate. Okay. And potassium nitrate. Raju, Kasu, Molaka, Roju, Tara. So you understood this reaction, no? Now takes a few granules, zinc granules. Okay, like salt it will be having. Granules means like sand. Granules, like sand it will have. Okay, that sand like type of substances are granules. Granules. Okay, you are taking some zinc granules in a conical flask. This is called conical flask. Okay, this is conical flask. You are taking some zinc granules. Okay, or any test tube also you can take. Okay, and add some dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, copy that problems. Add some hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay, hydrochloric acid. You add to that. Huh? Next, you have to take care while you are adding the acids. Do you observe any happening around the zinc granules? Touch the conical flask test tube. Is there any change in temperature? Definitely. Okay. Why? Because it is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. It is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions means reactions are two types. Endothermic reactions, to occur that reaction, you have to give the energy in the form of heat, in the form of pressure, in the form of atmospheric pressure. You should increase or decrease like that. Then only that reaction will happen. Otherwise, it will not occur. That reaction will not occur. Otherwise, when the reaction, just you are simply taking zinc granules, you are adding some hydrochloric acid through the walls of the conical flask. Okay. And if you observe conical flask walls, it is becoming hot. It is becoming warm. Okay. You are not heating it to become warm, but it is becoming warm. Why means here zinc granules is reacting with hydrochloric acid and is forming zinc chloride and releasing the hydrogen gas. If you observe around the zinc granules, you will be seeing some bubbles. You will be seeing some bubbles. That bubbles are the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Okay. So from the above reactions, we can say that any of the following observations determine whether a chemical reaction has takes place. You can see the change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature. In a chemical reaction, when any chemical reaction is happening, you can see change in state, change in color. If you already see in the reaction, change in color. And if you see here gas, evolution of gas, and change in temperature also. Temperature is also changing in it where chemical reaction takes place. You will see all these four, right? Go through these points once you say after reading. నలుగురు దొంగలు పథకం ఎందుకు పన్నారు?
నలుగురు దొంగలు మేకల దొంగలించుటకు పథకం పన్నారు.
రవలి దృష్టిలో కాబూలీ వారు ఎటువంటి వారు?
రవలి దృష్టిలో కాబూలీ వారు పిల్లలని ఎత్తుకొని అమ్ముకుంటారు.
రామునికి విలువిద్య ఎవరు నేర్పారు?
రామునికి విలువిద్య మౌని విశ్వామిత్రుడు నేర్పాడు.
English textbook, Amma?
I am.
Okay.
Ma'am, supplementary textbook.
Textbook. Okay, my next subject. Yes, come here. I will take the class for English.
Ma'am,
Okay, now assignment is your assignment. You write down your assignment in tuition notebook. So today your assignment is, okay, when a chemical reaction takes place, what will be the changes occur? Okay, what will happen when lead nitrate solution in a test tube when you add potassium iodide? You should write this full reaction.
okay. And I should explain.
No, you should explain it. And about this activity also. When you add hydrochloric acid to the zinc,
What reaction is occurring?
what reaction? I will write and give that reaction also.
Okay.
Okay? So all 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
3 reactions, important reactions.
Okay.
Okay? And this 2 marks question.
Okay.
You should perfectly write that reactions. Okay? This is about science assignment.
Okay.
Next. I will give English work also
When
today.
the chemical reaction is taking place, in that the changes will be the change will be in the gas temperature and the evolution state of it.
State will change.
And the
Change
color.
in state.
And change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, and in temperature.
Here I will write the reaction. When zinc is reacting with the hydrochloric acid, it will form a zinc chloride and H2 gas. Gas is there means you should show with up arrow marker. Granules, this is solid. Hydrochloric acid, you are adding with care. Acids are very dangerous. Okay. So you should take care when you are adding hydrochloric acid through the walls of the container. You should add the hydrochloric acid dropwise. Okay. Then this reaction will happen. Hydrogen gas will be absorbed. You should draw this diagram also. Okay. This reaction, and you should tell the before points also. This one.
Okay. You put it star marker.
Here this is magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon. Here you will be having magnesium oxide, which is more stable. Stable means it will not react with others.
It will be same.
It will not. But magnesium atoms are not stable.
Magnesium will be reacting with another like oxygen. But when it reacts with magnesium and oxygen, it won't be changed. It will be stable.
Layer. It will form the layer of the magnesium. Here layer of the magnesium oxide will be present on the top of the magnesium ribbon. Top. Okay.
These 4 activities I should say.
Periodic table.
According to Wikipedia, the periodic table, also known as the periodic table of the elements, is an ordered arrangement of the chemical elements into rows and columns.
This one. Write first row and second row
Okay.
in your tuition notebook. And also once write here also textbook in the page. Textbook will get spoiled, that's why. Okay, write in the tuition notebook. అభినవ్ది మ్యాథ్స్ అయిపోయిందా అమ్మ? నేను వేరే వర్క్ చేస్తాను. చెప్పమ్మా ఫార్ములాస్ చెప్పు. ప్రియాంక మ్యాథ్స్ అయ్యింది. మ్యాథ్స్ షోటు సార్. Write like this sir. This is 1A group. This is 2A group.
Okay.
Why do we need? Why you wrote we need both at one place? You should give gap between two words. You cannot read at once, no? We need. We need. Means you should give some gap, no? Tomorrow you have to learn this elements also. These are 1A group elements. These are 2A group elements. All are metals. All are metals.
Only these are metals.
We have, but in 1A, 2A, all are metals compared to 2A group elements. So 1A group elements are more metallic. More metallic. They are more metallic. Okay. These are more comparatively. If you compare, magnesium is more metallic or lithium is more metallic. If you ask me, lithium is more metallic. Both are metals only, but
It is more
metallic. Okay, so more metallic when you compare. See here, I told magnesium is a metal which is reactive. All metals are reactive. They cannot remain. Only gold. Gold is, that is why we use gold ornaments. It will not react with environment and it is not forming gold aram oxide like that. Gold is in the Latin aram. Au. Gold element is Au. Okay. This, what atoms are present here? Au atoms. Gold atoms will be present. This is not reacting with, that is why I am able to wear this one. We cannot wear long time this artificial jewelry.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because they react with the atmosphere and moisture which is present on our skin, and that layer will go off. Right? But here this layer is not going. Huh? You can read for 5 to 10 minutes more. That is why we are preferring gold. That is why we are preferring gold. Otherwise I can use silver. Platinum and gold are the which are not reactive. Though they are the metals, because they have the electronic configuration different. That you will be understood in the intermediate.
Silver is sir.
No, silver is also not reactive. Silver is also a metal. Copper will react with oxygen and will form the copper oxide layer. Green color layer you will have, na? Green color layer. That is copper oxide. Iron also react with oxygen. That is also metal. They are reactive. But gold is not reactive.
Gold and platinum.
Platinum. they don't react. Okay. So all are metals only. All are metals. Learn this metal names.
SR.
This is strontium, barium, radium.
మేడం ఒకసారి వీటి మూడు ఇట్లా ఆరో మార్క్ పెట్టి ఫుల్ ఫామ్ తయారు
You can write here. You will have. One A, 2A groups with names. One A group elements with names. Write these names here. Yes, Abhinav.
మ్యాథ్స్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఇచ్చి ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఒక చాప్టర్ రాస్తాను.
Learn these points. If you don't understand these points, ask me, I will explain. Learn these points. Sit here only. You should give gap between words. Why do we need water?
We need water to survive.
Which is the cleverest machine?
Computer is the cleverest machine.
What is this one?
Ta, ta, ta.
Write these words five times. Which is the okay? What is the skeleton system?
The framework of bones is called skeletal system.
మనం సి అంటే
2A group elements with names. Right.
Matter is not small.
First, if you want to understand the lesson, Amma, you should learn the meanings first. These meanings are very, very, very important. You should get definitely reference book. You need to practice the paragraphs, comprehensive paragraphs. Okay. Deeply, you should go into the characters. Deeply you should go into the characters, because direct question will not be asked in the exam. They will ask comparatively questions. They will link this character of which is present in letter to God person will compare with other lesson person character. What is your opinion? They will ask like that. There is no direct question. So definitely you cannot by heart the chapters. Okay, you have to understand the characters in the chapter Vocabulary you should learn. Every day you need to practice comprehensive paragraphs. Okay, so that you can get good marks. Otherwise, English is toughest only. Okay, you cannot get good marks. First, your way of seeing the chapter should be different. Okay, only question is there, answer you learnt, that question only will come. No,
That
you will not.
means in the exams we should learn the textbook.
Yes,
We should not
textbook.
prefer.
You have to read more than 5 times the textbook, line to line, line to line. They will give extracts in the middle. 2 lines they will select and they will be asked 5 questions on that.
From middle of the chapter.
From middle of the chapter, from the textbook and from the novel. What do we call?
Reference book.
Another book will be there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Moment.
Yes, sir. Ma'am. Supplementary reading.
Supplementary. In that also you will get, here also you will get, but you have to first understand the lesson. This is not by heart read. If you do by heart, you will get good marks. No. Your teachers are also doing strict correction only. You may get with copying, but if you follow that method, I cannot help you. At least if you do hard work from the beginning, then it will be more helpful in the finals. Not in your school exams. In the finals, I am saying. In that way, you should understand the lesson first.
Okay, ma'am. Then when we take a subject English, the first you will explain, right? If I don't understand, you will explain. If I understand, I will read the chapter and I will write the summary first. I will write the summary and I will explain you.
Wherever you get the first, this year I am going to explain even English also lessons. Last year I explained in the final months, like in the January, February. But this year I am going to start in the beginning only, even in English also. కొంచెం వాటర్ నీట్గా పోయిందమ్మా, అస్సలు వాటర్ నీట్గా పోస్తలేదు, స్మెల్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ వరకు, బయట వరకు. మెయిన్ యూ షుడ్ learn the meanings. That is your assignment for today. Read this lesson full at home. I will ask you these meanings first, then I will start the lesson explanation. And another assignment is English, a letter to God, full lesson, vocabulary words, and next full lesson chapter reading. Okay. This first vocabulary meanings I will ask you first. Okay. Then I will start the lesson explanation. First you should go through the lesson. Okay. This words, what is mean by greedy, knave, stupid, ungrateful,
Selfish.
so like that. You should. So 2 assignments I have allotted to you. One is science and English.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Ma'am, can I once get you? Sorry.
Mom, can you say this like the matter around us is divided into 3 states. These are solid liquid.
There's some any doubts? Any Lasya, come here. What are you reading? Come. You can sit there, sorry. Amma Dikshita, any doubts? Varshita,
The matter.
which one are you doing? Only you are doing maths, no other subjects you are reading.
Ma'am, I complete my English.
Is divided into
First keep the strong pads for this. and you should be very careful. You should not forget here. Like that. After your work finished, keep it in your bag. Sit here. Will you say, Abhinav?
I'm learning.
Read these words. Last.
Sudden. Jabu. Abaya.
బాకి బావత్తు లేదా అబ్బాయి
Abai.
The forces of attraction between the
Ni.
particles are maximum.
ర్బా రాకి బావత్తు ఇస్తే ర్బా ర్బా రీడ్ తీసుకోనమ్మా షా పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే షంగ్ పా పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే కమ్ ఇది ఎలా చదవాలి షమ్ అని చదవాలి షా పక్కన సున్నా ఉంటే ఏమని చదవాలి కా పక్కన సున్నా ఉంటే పాకి గుడిస్తే పి పీ పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే పిన్ చా పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే చమ్ మళ్ళీ పీచ వేసినారంటే పడుతుంది నీకు ఎప్పుడు చూడు సున్నాలు ఎగరగొడుతుంటుంది చెప్తున్నాను కదా పీ పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే పించని పించం చెప్పు పిన్ కా పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే కా పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే మళ్ళీ కాని చదువుతుంది కా పక్కన సున్నా కనపడదా నీకు చదువు చదువు కట్టం కా పక్కన సున్నా లేదా కంఠం దీని ఏమని చదవాలి కన్ రిట్ trace this one. I will keep dictation. Read this one, Amma. ఉబ్బసం బాగా వస్తుంది కదా భా ఉబ్బసం విచ్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ హోల్ బుక్ these are lessons, no? Where is grammar? You know it, right?
And matter is divided into three states. Those are solid, liquid, gas. The forces of attraction between the
How will you change this
solid, intermediate in liquids and
line into question mark?
the forces of
Helping verb is. Helping verbs is, am, are the helping verbs. Helping verb should come first. Okay. Is the boy a fool? Like that you see here, I understand that he asked for more. I understand. It is in simple present tense. So you should convert this into simple present tense question mark. In the simple present tense you will have do or does. Do or does. Do means you will have
The forces of
we
attraction
use
between the particles
for I do,
maximum
not does.
in
That
the
is why
reaction
do I. This is helping verbs.
minimum
So first you should write in the question form helping verbs. Do I understand? He asked for more. Oliver asked for more. Oliver is a singular, so we use does. Does Oliver ask for more? Okay, they have given in the simple present tense. The boys took their places.
is made up
Took, that means V2, it is V2.
matter
That means it
is
is
made
past tense. In the past tense, in the question form, you will
the
get it
matter
did.
is divided into three
So the question will be the did the boys take.
gases.
Took will
The
become
forces
take,
of
V1.
attraction
It will
between
become in the question
particles
form
of
V1.
maximum
Okay. So take their places.
intermediate
Okay. These sentences are changed into places do, does, did at the beginning. Such
The
questions are
spaces
called
is-
yes or no questions.
in between the
Yes or no. You can complete this.
kinetic energy of the particles
I will ask
are
this all
in
1, 2, 3,
in this case
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This 11 questions in the question form I will ask in the minute. Read this one. Did you learn Abhinav? Sarka. Rka. Rka.
The space in between the constituent particles and kinetic energy of the particles are minimum in case of solid, intermediate in liquid, maximum in gases. The space in between constituent particles
Cut
and
type it.
kinetic
Circus. Completed. Come here. Any explanation, Varshita? అడగాలమ్మా, నో అనకూడదు, డౌట్స్ అడగాలి, అప్పుడే వస్తుంది చదువు. మీ అంతకు మీరు చేసుకోవడానికి ఇంట్లో చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, వచ్చి ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయించుకోవడము. తెలియనివి క్లాస్లో అడగట్లేదు, ఇక్కడన్నా అడగాలి. ట్యూషన్స్లో ఉన్న మీరు భయపడితే కూర్చోకూడదు. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు మీకు కట్టెలు పట్టుకొని కొట్టట్లేదు. శంఖం. పించం.
particles and kinetic energy of the particles are in minimum.
కంఠం.
Minimum in the case of solid, intermediate in the case of liquid.
బో.
Maximum in
మాకి మా వర్తిస్తే మా. బొమ్మ.
yes.
రథం. ఫలం.
The space in between the constituent particles and kinetic energy of particles are maximum in
ఓన్లీ మ్యాథ్స్ యూ డిడ్. సు. రూకి ఆవర్తిస్తే ర్యూ. సూర్యు. డు. డాకి కొమ్మిస్తే డు. సూర్యుడు. Only you practice these problems till 5:30. సార్ వస్తారా? కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఇంకేముంది నీ దగ్గర? తీసుకురా. నేత్రము. శ్రావిక మేడం పిలుస్తుంది సార్ నీ అని చెప్పమ్మా. మేడం పిలుస్తుందని చెప్పు.
Can slip and slide over each other. While the process of attraction between particles are maximum x.
This 5 plus 5 how much? 5 plus 5. Huh? 5 means 5 rupees. 10 it will become. Okay. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many? 14. 5 rupees are there. Add this all. Okay, you know multiplication? Suppose 14 is there. If you multiply with 5, 5 4s are 20 means you should keep 2 here, 0 here. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. 5 కి 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? అర్జెంట్ అని చెప్పమ్మా. ఒక్క నిమిషం అర్జెంట్ అని చెప్పు. 5 plus 2. సో 14 into 5 వేస్తే 70 వస్తుంది. అట్లా ఇవి వేసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ ఎంత మనీ ఉంది అని చెప్పేసి రాయాలి. రాంగ్ రాస్తాను మీరు. రబ్ చేయండి, రాంగ్ ఇది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 14 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 14 into 5 వేస్తారు కాబట్టి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 70 వచ్చింది. అన్ని 5 రూపీస్ కాయిన్సే కదా. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 into 5 7 5s are 8. టేబుల్స్ రావాలి ఫస్ట్ నీకు. డూ దిస్ వన్. 7 5s అంటే పైకి చూస్తే ఏం చెప్పాలి నేను? ఎన్నిసార్లు రాపించిన టేబుల్స్ నీకు?
The process of attraction between the
చేస్తాము.
particles are maximum and solid intermediate in
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ తన్నీరు శ్రీను గారు. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. అమ్మ వర్షితకి మ్యాథ్స్లో డౌట్ ఉంది, ఒక్కసారి వచ్చి క్లారిఫై చేసేద్దాం. మ్యాథ్స్లో డౌట్ ఉంది వర్షితకి. హలో అండి, వినిపిస్తుందా?
The place in between the
మ్యాథ్స్లో డౌట్ ఉంది వర్షితకి, కొంచెం కిందికి రమ్మా అంటున్నా.
particles and kinetic energy is
ఒక 2 minutes.
minimum in solid and now intermediate in between maximum in gases.
Tall.
Taller, tallest.
హలో అమ్మ పైకంటున్నా. రాకి ఆవర్తిస్తే రియా, రియా, రీ, రీ, రియు, రియు, రు, రియు, రే, రే, రై, రియో. యా సౌండ్ రావాలి, రా సౌండ్ రావాలి, ఓకి మాత్రం ఉండాలి. రియో, రియో, రియౌ, రియం, రియహ. ప్రాక్టీస్. Heavy.
H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heavier, heaviest.
Heavier.
Heavier, heaviest.
Merry.
Merrier, merriest.
Beautiful.
More beautiful, most beautiful.
Young. Young.
Younger, youngest.
Hot.
Hotter, hottest.
Happy.
H-A-P-P-I-R, happier, happiest.
Happier.
Happier, happiest.
Name the 4 kinds of movable joints.
4 kinds of movable joints are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. Ball and socket joint. They allow in many directions. Example, shoulder joint, hinge joint. They allow only back and forth movement. Example, knees joint.
What are differences between movable joints and immovable joints?
Movable joints, joint that cannot joint that help in the movement of our body called movable joint. Cartilage is present between bones in this joint. Example, arms, legs joint, immovable joint. Joint that cannot be moved are called immovable joint. Cartilage is absent between bones in this joint. Example, skull joint.
What is nervous system?
The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves.
How should you take care of your ears?
First point, don't hear loud sound. Second point, don't put any pointed object inside the ear.
Okay. What is the day of 14?
Tuesday,
What is the date of second Saturday?
11,
How many days are there in this month?
31.
Write the dates of the. What is this one? Sum. అంటే ఎలా రాసావు చెప్పు? ఎలా రాసావు? బైహార్ట్ చేసావా? ఎలా రాసావు దాన్ని?
సండే
సండేనా?
ఫిఫ్త్ 21 19
ఫిఫ్త్ అన్నప్పుడు 5 అనాలి.
5 21 19 26.
డౌట్ క్లియర్ అయిందమ్మా? వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ చేయట్లేదు, ఉత్తే మ్యాథ్స్ ఒకటే చేస్తున్నా.
యాక్టివిటీకి 11 నుంచి 15 వరకు
వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తుంటారు కదా అమ్మ. మరి next, Abhi, say the points.
Matter is made up of small particles. Matter is made up of small particles. They are divided into 3 different states. Those are solid, liquid, and gaseous.
The forces of attraction between particles are maximum.
The forces of attraction of particles are.
Suppose here in the paper there are particles. In the solids, in the liquids, in the gases, the forces between the particles. Each atom is, imagine it is a particle. Okay, that force is maximum.
In solid force is maximum, and intermediate in liquid, minimum in gases. The space between the constituent particles and kinetic energy is minimum in solid, intermediate in liquid, maximum in gases.
Swarms అంటే ఇక్కడ insects which fly in big swarms and destroy crops.
Swarms.
ఇది third one. Insects which
Swarms are big fields. Big fields.
పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫీల్డ్స్, క్రాప్లు గుంపులుగా అన్నట్టు గుంపులుగా వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా. Today's Abhinav homework evening assignment is page number 10 and 11. Points, important points in the science chapter, and maths formulas. How many formulas sir has given?
And for first chapter
First chapter full. Okay. Huh? Yes. Yes, I will wind up this class. Tomorrow 5:30 to 6:30.